Boost your academic lexicon, mastering synonyms. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of academic English vocabulary. Specifically, we'll focus on a key tool that can help enrich your written and spoken communication in the academic world: synonyms. The ability to interchange words with similar meanings can provide variety and sophistication to your language use, so let's get started. In an academic context, synonyms are different words with the same or very similar meanings. They're incredibly useful in avoiding repetition, enhancing text cohesion, and displaying a wide range of vocabulary. For instance, analyze is a word commonly used in academia, but sometimes you might want to use its synonyms like examine, inspect, or investigate. Understanding and using synonyms effectively can certainly help your academic writing shine. Using synonyms adds depth and variety to your academic writing. They make your arguments more compelling by preventing redundancy. Plus, demonstrating a broad vocabulary can indicate a high level of language proficiency, which is always impressive in an academic setting. Remember, the goal here is not to use complex words all the time, but rather to express your thoughts clearly and precisely using a rich vocabulary. Time for some hands-on practice. Here are some exercises to help you flex your synonym skills. 1. Word substitution. Take an academic paragraph, underline a word, and replace it with an appropriate synonym. Try this with multiple words in the paragraph. 2. Paraphrasing. Take a sentence from an academic text and rewrite it using different words. The key is to maintain the original meaning while using a different set of vocabulary. 3. Synonym matchup. Write down a list of academic words. Next to each, write 3 synonyms. This can be a fun and interactive game. 2. 4. Flashcards. Use flashcards to memorize synonyms. Write the main word on one side, and synonyms on the other. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, make sure to do these exercises regularly. As we wrap up, let's cover some practical tips. Context is key. Always ensure the synonym fits the context. Not all synonyms can be used interchangeably in all situations. Beware of connotation. Synonyms may have the same denotation, literal meaning, but can carry different connotations, implied or emotional meanings. Keep it natural. Don't force a synonym if the original word fits best. The purpose of using synonyms is to enrich your writing, not to complicate it. Use reliable sources for synonyms. Dictionaries, thesauruses, and academic word lists can be great resources. And that wraps up our deep dive into understanding and practicing with synonyms in the academic context. We hope this video has given you some valuable tools and strategies to enrich your academic vocabulary. Remember, mastering synonyms is not an overnight process. It takes practice, but with time, you'll see a significant improvement in your academic English skills. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!